To get started, navigate to developers.beefree.io. This will be your central hub for all things dealing with the Beefree SDK. Scroll up to the top right of the window and click on Create a Developer Account, and then fill out the form to have your first developer account with Beefree created. You'll notice in the block here, there is a link for the Beefree app as the standalone tool. This video series deals with the Beefree SDK as an embeddable solution. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll be guided to a screen that looks something like this. At the top right, you'll see links for our support, as well as links to guide you to our documentation. In the main section here, you'll see the type of subscription you chose, as well as 4 options for activation. One for our email builder, page builder, pop-up builder, and file manager application. This is where you will activate the SDK instance within the Beefree ecosystem that will later run within your application. Let's do that. Let's click on Activate for the email builder application. On this screen, we're prompted to name our application. I'll call mine Test Email 1. You can call yours whatever you like, of course, and click on Create. And we see our running SDK instance right here. We have the name, we have the client ID, the subscription type, and then a button for details. Let's go ahead and click on Details. Within the Details screen, we see a lot of important information. The type of environment we're in, the day that it was created and or updated. We see options for configuration details, be able to change themes, manage roles, and add on add-ons. One of the awesome features that I like about our SDK. You'll see 2 very important pieces of information, your client ID and client secret. Don't worry, I'm going to delete these after this video. We also see some of our APIs that you may have heard about recently, like the HTML importer, content services, and template catalog API. All that can be accessed from this one screen. Another word or two about the screen we're on now. This is referred to as the Beefree Developer Console. As we mentioned, this is where you'll find your client ID and client secret. And that is exactly what it sounds like, your ID and your secret. And they're used for authorization purposes, so you definitely don't want to share this information. If you ever need to, you can regenerate these using the Regenerate button right here. Beyond that, in this video series, we will implement, for simplicity purposes, a client-side authorization process. Of course, when you go to production, you want to do that server-side for additional security.